about the combination of resistance. If two or more resistance are combined, then how to find the equivalent resistance of that resistance? Look at here, three different circuit is given. Circuit first, circuit second, circuit third. Three different circuit are given, and we have to find current I between the potential difference or between the point A and B. We have to find the current. How much current be transferred? How much current will flow? How much current will flow between the potential A and B? Then first of all, you find the equivalent resistance across A and B, because of there are so many resistance are attached, someone in parallel and someone in series. Look at this. This is the R1, R2, R3, R4. These resistance are in series, but after the combining two resistance, they are attached in the parallel. Then first of all, we find the potential difference between A and B for circuit first. This is circuit 1. Here two resistance, two square is present, square first, square second, and resistance is R1 and R2. Then we, first of all, this resistance and this resistance is in the series. So we make a circuit to combine these two resistance. Then what will be the answer? This is R and this is R. Then this is in the series, because this is in the series. So R plus R is going to be 2R, and then this is in the parallel. Then what is the equivalent resistance? 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R, then 2R 1 plus 1 is equal to be 2 by 2R, then R equivalent is equal to be R. After combining two resistance 2R and 2R, we can replace these two resistance by single resistance, which resistivity is R. Because we get, if 2R 2R in the parallel, then equivalent resistance is R. So we can write 2R 2R at the position of 2R 2R R. Then again two R, then again 2R, then we get the equivalent resistance R. So for the first circuit, R equivalent is equal to be R. It is for the first circuit, and then for the second circuit, if two more resistors are attached, then we first of all find the these equivalent resistance of these resistance where R are given, then we get the get the value 2R, 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 2R. Then it is in the parallel. Then R is equal to B. R equivalent is equal to B. R. Again, these are, then we replace these are, then we get the equivalent resistance 2R. And then it is, because it is in the parallel, then after replacing these two resistance, we get the resistance R. This resistance and this resistance is in the series. Therefore, we replace these two resistance by equivalent resistance. That resistance is equal to be 2R. Okay? Understood? Then these two resistance are in the parallel. So if we replace these two resistance, then we get the resistance R. Then for the circuit 2, R equivalent is equal to be also be R. For the circuit first, we get the equivalent resistance R. For the circuit 2, get the equivalent resistance BR. Now we check the equivalent resistance for the circuit 3, where for the circuit 3 like that. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and here is the resistance, and we have to find A and B. Here is the battery, this is the R, and this is the 2R. This is the third circuit, where one more square is the present. Here is the 2 square, here is the 3 square, here is the 4 square. 1 2 3 and 4. Then again we find the equivalent resistance. As similar step we used in the previous circuit. So this is the R, this is the R. Then what will be the this is the R, this is the R. Then we replace these two resistance by R equivalent, and that is the 2R, because it is in the series. R and R in the series, then we get the equivalent resistance 2R. Okay, we get the equivalent resistance 2R. R and R, then it is the parallel. Then again we replace these two resistance by the R. Again this is in the series. Then equivalent resistance is 2R. Now it is in the parallel. So equivalent resistance is R. This is in the series. Then equivalent resistance is the 2R. Equivalent resistance is the 2R, because R and R is in the series. Now here 2R in the parallel. So equivalent resistance is R. Again R are in series. So equivalent resistance is 2R. Now in 2R and So R equivalent is going to be R. R equivalent is going to be R. Now look at here. This is the combination of the resistance where we attach more resistance, more resistance, more resistance in the form of parallel and series. Last in should be the in the series, and resistance is R and R. So we get the value of equivalent resistance is R. Then we can say that the potential difference between A and B, or can flow across the resistance R, across the resistance A and B is equal for the three given circuit. All three given circuit equivalent resistance are equal. Then the answer is the in the circuit first, in the circuit second, in the circuit third, flow of electricity, flow of electric current be equal, because resistance is equal and potential across A and B also be equal. Then we know the formula is V is equal to IR. R is equal and V is equal, so I also be equal.